People always make excuses of not being in native country. That's the reason I cannot speak in English. Well, I am the real proof. I live in a small village of Jharkhand, and I every day come here. It's my barakar, and every day I sit here and enjoy nature, open sky, greenery you can see, and I just listen the sound of the river, nature, and I just try to naming the things in English, and whenever I want to speak, then I just sit down over here and start speaking. Yeah, to my camera, because camera is only my best friend. Whatever I can say, I can share with it. It will not judge me. But whenever you say anything to any person, then it's probably a lot of chances they will judge you. Okay, so I always love sharing my all emotions to my camera, or sometime on online applications where I can share my emotions with the strangers. So friends, that's how I learned English. I never went to abroad country here and there, or I never like making excuses. If you really want to speak, then just try out. Okay, if you don't know from where and how to start, then at least try to name the things whatever you see. For instance, when you see the stone, water, then say it directly and try to form a sentence from that particular word. Okay, well, I don't have anything to say, and I am feeling very happy with the nature. If you really want, then I am really inviting you from my inner heart. Please come to my home. This is my village, you can see, and in my village there is a complaint always that you speak in English, but always you love spending time alone. Why don't you have so many friends? I want to tell you, my dear friends, having a lot of friends these days are the causes of distraction, self-doubt, anxiety. So live yourself free. I Nobody can bind me in any particular religion or any society, rules and regulations. I always think beyond that. I don't follow any rules and regulations. I love spending time with myself. Whatever you want, you can do with me. I don't care. Even psychologically, I am very prepared, and I never get affected if anybody say to me that your voice is not good, you are speaking so loud, your English is not good at all, you use repetition words so many times. I know all these things. Sometime I make a lot of mistakes, I know, but yeah, it's fine. If I am making mistakes, it's not my fault. At least I am trying. But if you are not trying and just sitting only to judge people, then what, I can't use any word for you. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. Well friends, I have a lot thing to share. Even I haven't scripted anything as yet, but no worries. Here I just tried my best to speak whatever naturally coming from my heart. I am the medium, but you are listening to nature voice. I don't have ego, I have nothing inside. I am totally empty and feeling so happy. I never attach myself to anyone, even to my girlfriend, even to my family, to my society, to my job. I never care about anything. Means I'm not telling you I'm careless. I am telling you I respect everybody, but when it comes to celebrate life, because life is all about celebration, then this place is for me. I love enjoying here. I love spending time alone, because when you will die one day, everything will be snatched out from you, but only the thing will be remaining in your heart, that is your beingness, self being. Okay, if you compare continuously yourself to others, then this is the cause of obstacles, problems, and so on. Okay, so don't compare yourself, because the voice what you have, the knowledge what you have, everything is different. The way you look, the way you giggle, laugh. So I am very fortunate enough that I am unique, and yeah, I love myself, I love everybody in the world, and everybody here is watching me, because some fishermen, they are Adivasi here, and Changli. So they are watching me, that what I am doing here, speaking in English. But I want to tell you, they are really very happy that I am talking in English. They consider me as if I am a foreigner to them, but not like that. I will talk to them after finishing this video. Okay, friends. So I will never. I will not edit anything from this video. I will just upload as it is. And yes, if you really like what I said, then you can share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.